we're headed out to the service center. We're gonna pick up the snowmobile. It's been there about 7 weeks, so it's a little overdue, but we're just now starting to get a little snow, so we're gonna do a little walk around of it afterwards. It's gonna be great. So also, when we got our first snow yesterday, I got a quick clip of ripping in the snow with the GoPro set up and stuff. I'll show that right here. It's really amazing. It's really great.
What do you have to say?
Oh, well, I feel great. This is my baby right here, and now I know how to remove the two-up seat too. So that's great. Yeah. Gotta get the tie down. Trailer problems. Hi. Alright, so I got the sled back home. It was such a terrifying and challenging drive. So we just got, like preseason maintenance done. We got chain case oil changed, they gave new spark plugs, and I guess I needed new batteries, so dealerships have to make some money somehow. But yeah, we're back, and we're gonna do a little walk around of the sled, and we're gonna do a couple of really simple detail tips for y'all. Alright, so this is the snowmobile. I just bought it in August. Got a really good deal on it. Bought it within an hour of it being posted. We drove out there, picked it up. It's great. It was like women driven, and I don't know, I guess that's a good thing. So the guy was an AMSOIL mechanic, so he did all the work himself. He took really good care of it. When we looked it over, everything was freshly greased. It was crazy. So it's a 600 S.D.I. GSX limited. So it's got all the little goodies. You got a heated helmet plug, got a 12-volt plug, which I'm going to use for this phone holder. This phone holder, by the way, great deal. $30 from Cabela's, and it is. Check this out. That's freaking solid. But yeah, you get the special gauges here. You got the real fuel gauge, temp gauge, and all the goodies. So I took it in. They did compression test. 135 and 140, and it's got almost 6,000 miles on it. So these 600 S.D.Is, if you can find a good deal on them, it's a great deal. I have yet to ride it, of course, but winter's coming, so it's time to get excited. I've been excited since August. So we got a tunnel bag as well, so that's gonna be really nice. We also have a tunnel bag for Dad's sled. So yeah, it says electric start and pole start. Yeah, let's fire it up. Sounds great, little cruise road. them how clean this baby is. This is an 05. I forgot to mention that. 05 GSX Limited. Look how clean that exhaust is. That's like unheard of. Obviously, it's been enclosed trailered its whole life. Yeah, everything's just super clean. I'm thinking the exhaust is probably painted, but still it looks really good. Super clean. So this right here, this is my dad's sled. We did a really quick detail job on it with some ArmorAll and some RainX. So as you can see, the glass looks great. The plastics all look great. And we're going to show you how to do that real quick on my sled. These glass cleaner wipes here, plus rain repellent. So the whole idea behind those is that it makes the windshield kind of hydrophobic, and the snow hopefully just kind of slides off real nice. So we're going to come over here. We're just going to wipe it on. And these are pretty dry wipes, so they don't, make it super wet. And then after we're done wiping this, we're gonna let it dry for just a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna wipe it off with this microfiber. So I'm gonna do this to all the glass, even the headlights and the gauges. So I'm gonna go around and do that, and we'll show you kind of what it looks like afterwards, inside of the windshield too. Kind of do a circular motion like this. You might have to make a couple passes to be completely streak free, but it'll work pretty well. Looks pretty good for, wipes, and it took all of 3 or 4 minutes. And I also did the mirrors and the gauges. You couldn't really tell that they were dirty, but it's all right. ArmorAll original protectant. Comes in a spray bottle like this, another microfiber. So when you do this, it's really important to spray it on the towel, not on the actual plastics, because then you'll have too much on the plastics. So just a little bit, not much. It might have been too much, but you'll see it's going to go on and leave a shiny effect behind. So we're gonna do this all the way around the snowmobile, except for on the shiny stuff. I don't like to do it on the shiny stuff because it'll leave streaks. You can try like a ceramic coating on that. That's what I usually do, is a ceramic coating. That holds up longer than just plain old like ArmorAll. So yeah, we're gonna do it to all these type of side panels, and we're also gonna do it to the vinyl seat, which we'll show you. And that'll make that look real good and shiny. So. Okay, so we just put it all over these guys here, these panels, blue ones. And we're gonna throw it on the seat now, and you'll see really how it makes it shine. And this will also help protect against like tearing and weathering if you store it outside. So really you should do this at the end of every season, and at the beginning, honestly, but it's all up to what you wanna do. But you can see it goes on real nice on the vinyl. Because it's actually made for vinyl, so it should go on pretty nice, I think. So, see there's a few streaks. I'm going to go back through and wipe those with a bit more of a dry side of the towel. And then that's pretty much the basics of what I do for detailing these guys. Get them looking fresh, get them looking good for the season. And it's good enough for me. So I guess that's gonna be it. Yep, we got the sled today. We got our first snow yesterday. Got a little footage of that. So yeah, hopefully our next video will be riding. But I wouldn't hope. I mean, I am hoping, but you never know. So we'll see you then.